This is my next project. Not the box. I don't think I'm going to touch the box. But the contents of it. Now, it's been in the family quite some time. I know at least it was my granddad's. It might have been my great-granddad's. I don't know. I've got no idea how old it is. Don't even know it's made by. For that matter, I'm not even sure I've got the right box out because I haven't opened it yet. The last time I looked at this was probably 20 years ago. When I built my house. I'll get this out to do the skirting with. And opened the lid and went, no, shut the lid and left it. Let's try and put my hands down where the hinges are. Oh well, the screws are pulled out of that one. Oh dear, it's worse than I remember it. Universal trimmer, number 3B, W.R.Fox. It's got patterns written on there, but nothing else. Right, okay, let's get this out. Right, that's the handle, which I know is meant to be separate. Well, that looks like it's just a clean-up job. That's not too bad. Oh dear, look at that. There's the blades on that. Oh, nasty. Let me bring you in a bit. Right. Now, what this is a trimmer for, well, I believe it was for skirting board, but I guess it could be used for anything. And basically, these are guillotine blades that go up and down, or they go left and right, I think. I had seen it working once before. I must have been quite young at the time. Yes, it looks like it goes left and right. The back of it doesn't look too bad, but as for the rest of it, the Fox Machine Company, Grand Rapids, Michigan. So it's American, and that's where that goes in, and it cranks it to and fro. Right, well, if I want to use it, I've got a job for it, but it's not until the spring, unfortunately, and it is now December. It's December the 1st, I think. So now that spring's gone, rusted out. That one doesn't look too bad, and that looks like that only folds the wings, so you can set the angle of dangle. Right, okay. Well, it looks like it all bolts together. That one's loose. So I think the best thing I can do here is give it a quick rub down with a wire brush to get rid of all the loose stuff, and then take it apart. Right, let's wire brush all this loose stuff off. As you can see, well, hopefully you can see, this is actually a genuine restoration. It's not one of those shit-ass ones where they've put something outside for a few weeks to go rusty and then they say, oh, look at the condition of this is really bad. Tossers they are, all of them. They're not genuine restorers, they're just video makers that pretend they're something then they're not. So I can't abide them videos. Now, hopefully with the machinery that I've got, I will be able to bring this back to life. Right, well that's got rid of the loose stuff, so I think we sweep this out to the top. Give this a quick wire brush off, then I'll clean the bench off and take it apart. At least if I get this working, I can use it, because it was, from what I remember, a really good tool. Most skirting board these days is MDF, so it will handle that with no problem at all, I'm sure. Oh, they're not very tight. They actually look like they're in really good condition. Right. So square bolts. That one's not going to come out right. Let's that one's not going to come out because of that there. Now, that one comes out now. Oh, they're on a taper. Oh, considering there's nothing else you holding that together now, I'm assuming that's just old age that stuck it together. Tapping this gently because I don't know how it goes together, whether it's aha, right, okay, look, I think we might have some pins there, alignment pins. So in that case, no movement. I can feel those pins on the other side, yeah. There we are, we can see them. Now we know what we're looking for. And there's one on the other side. On there. I don't know if you can see that one or not, but it's there anyway. Well, that looks markedly bigger than that. So I reckon that might drift out the other way. So let's get a drift and a proper handle and see what happens. Well, this one looks a bit bigger as the shaft's ground down a bit, but the tip's about the right size, so I think that's moving. Yep. Definitely. Don't sound so favourable. Right, that one's moving, that one doesn't appear to be. bye.